Welcome back to Technology in the Future, your go-to hub for the most exciting updates in the world of cameras, gadgets, and game-changing innovations. Now, if you're holding a camera, you might want to set it down just for a minute. Because what we're about to talk about could be the biggest Canon news of the year. The EOS R6 Mark III is reportedly in the works, and from what we're hearing, it's going to shake up the mirrorless world in a massive way. Let's jump into the details. Design and build improvements. Canon isn't overhauling the R6's look, but make no mistake, the R6 Mark III is getting a thoughtful redesign. Ergonomics are being refined for extended comfort, and the top plate controls may mirror the pro-level R3 layout. That means quicker access, smarter button placement, and a more unified feel across Canon's mirrorless lineup. Durability? Still rock solid. Expect a rugged, weather-sealed body made to survive harsh shooting conditions, from rain-soaked shoots to desert dust storms. It's built to last, wherever your creativity takes you. Sensor and image quality. Here's the reel. Headline: the R6 Mark III could be packing a brand new 24-megapixel stacked sensor. Not only does this bring faster readout speeds, but it also delivers better low-light performance, higher dynamic range, and significantly reduced rolling shutter. This is more than a resolution bump, it's a leap forward in sensor technology. Fast-paced sports, wildlife photography, or handheld video, this sensor is built for it all. Processor and autofocus breakthroughs. Under the hood, Canon is likely to include dual Digic X processors, or potentially even debut a new processing engine. Either way, we're talking about lightning-fast image handling and smooth operation. Even in the most demanding shooting scenarios, the autofocus system? Prepare to be amazed. Canon's next-gen dual-pixel CMOS AF3 is expected to take center stage. With smarter AI subject recognition, enhanced eye and face tracking, and near-instant lock-on speed, it's designed to capture razor-sharp results even in chaotic environments. Stabilization upgrades. The R6 Mark III is rumored to include 8 stops of in-body image stabilization when used with compatible lenses. That's a noticeable boost over its predecessor, and a blessing for handheld shooters or anyone working in low-light settings without a tripod. Next-level video capabilities. This is where things get seriously exciting. The R6 Mark III might support internal 6K RAW recording. That's right, no external gear needed. Plus, 4K at 120 FPS with full sensor readout is reportedly on the table, enabling smooth, cinematic slow motion in stunning quality. Add Canon Log 3, 10-bit 4.2.2 color, and improved heat management, and it's clear this camera is aimed squarely at hybrid shooters and filmmakers looking to level up without jumping to Canon's cinema line. Display and EVF enhancements. Rumors suggest a sharper, more responsive OLED electronic viewfinder with a resolution boost over the R6 Mark II's 3.69 nm dot screen. A higher quality rear LCD is also expected, offering better clarity during live view and video shoots. Storage and workflow. Say goodbye to bottlenecks. Canon is likely adding dual card slots, one for CFast 2.0 Type B and another for SD UHS 2. Whether you're recording massive RAW files or shooting bursts at high speed, the right speeds should keep up with whatever you throw at it. Price and release. Window. As for the price, it's rumored to land between $499 and $699 USD. Yes, a step up from the R6 Mark II. But with all these new features, it's shaping up to be a serious value for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Expect an official announcement around late May 2025, just in time for the summer photography season. Final thoughts. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III is shaping up to be more than just an incremental update. It's a total reimagining of what a mid-range mirrorless camera can do. With a stacked sensor, internal 6K RAW, advanced autofocus, and serious video power, this could easily become the new favorite for creators across the board. What do you think? Are you excited about these rumored specs? Would this convince you to upgrade your gear, or are you sticking with your current setup for now? Let us know in the comments. We always love hearing your take. If you enjoyed this deep dive, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to Technology in the Future, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss the latest camera news, leaks, and expert breakdowns. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative.